Facebook Marketplace is one of the best platforms where you can sell your products for free of charge, especially if you are a vendor. Maybe you sell physical items, you sell tech gadgets, you sell equipment and whatever you sell, and you don't want to run ads. Maybe you don't have the budget for running ads. Then Facebook Marketplace is a very good option for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can list your products on Facebook Marketplace for free of charge. The advantage of this is that you're not paying anything to do this, and you are getting faster results because there are lots of people looking for products to buy on the platform. So if you have a Facebook account, then this is going to be easy for us. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, my name is Awajima. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuff online, and I show you things you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So with that said, I'm going to get straight into the video and show you how you can list your product on Facebook Marketplace. Before I go in, please like this video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell so that when I post more videos, you are going to be notified. All right, so let's get straight in. For you to list your product on Facebook Marketplace is very easy and straightforward. Come to your Facebook account like this, and then look at this place, click on it. You click on it once, and once you click on it, you are going to see different products. As you can see different people are already selling. You can sell physical products here like gadgets, as you can see, laptops, chains, refrigerator, cars, and even digital products. Okay, but you have to be smart about selling digital products if you want to sell digital product. But basically, this works best for people who sell physical products like gadgets, like equipment, and what have you. So how do you, when you come here now, what do you do next? You click on the cell. Click on the cell. Once you click on the cell, you come to items. What do you want to sell? You click on items, and once you click on items, you wait for it to load. So what we are seeing right here is the forms for us to fill in whatever we want to sell. So what you do now is to click on add photo. So whatever you want to sell, you need to add the pictures. Okay, you add your photo, and the next thing is for you to add the title. Add the title. If you're selling an iPhone, you put the iPhone, and then you put the full name of the iPhone S3, iPhone XR, iPhone blah blah blah. You put the specification. All right, the next thing there is to put the price. Okay, and then you come here, put the category. What category is your product? Okay, you can see there are so many categories here, so you fill in the correct category. What is the condition of the product? Is it a used product? Is it a new one? Is it a used one? Is it a fairly used? You put the condition there. All right, and then you go ahead and describe the product. Then after that, you put in your location. All right, right here you can see I'm doing this video actually from Lagos, so it's taking my location as Lagos, Nigeria. For your own case, you're going to put in your own location. All right, now if you want to hide this advert from your friends, okay, you want to hide it from your friends, you can come here and toggle this button. All right, you toggle it, you just hit the button like this, and it will hide it from your friends. But we don't need to do all of that. So if you have any other options you want to add to the listing, you can add it here, but I don't think all of these are really necessary. The major things are the things that are here: the title, the price, the category, the condition, the description, and then your location. These are the major things that are required, and of course you need to put your picture there. You need to add your photo. Once you are done with all of these things, the next thing to do is to hit the publish button that you see on the top right side of this. Once you click on publish, then your listing will be published on the marketplace, and when people see it, they will contact you that they want to buy from you. So this is exactly how you can list your product on Facebook Marketplace. If you have questions for me concerning this video or any other thing, how to make money online, then send me a message, comment in the comment section, or check the link in the description for more information. This is where I'm going to stop for this video. I'll see you in my next video.